Ready to create cinematic masterpieces like a pro? Try these free apps for short video creation that are so easy. I'm with the CyberGuy, your tech guru. Find all my top app and product recommendations at cyberguy.com. That's where you can also sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter. Whether you're an aspiring YouTuber, Instagram Reel star, or family vacation videographer, these apps have got you covered. For iPhone and iPad, iMovie app offers all the essential editing features you need at zero cost. If you've got an Android, check out KineMaster. The free version is perfect for basic video stitching. Adobe Premiere Rush, available on both iPhone and Android, is a beginner's dream with built-in tutorials and AI-powered shot reframing that makes it so easy for a novice video editor to look like a Hollywood pro. InShot, compatible with any smartphone, provides a vast array of editing tools. An optional unlimited subscription unlocks extra filters and graphics, but the free version has got you covered for online posting or sharing with friends. For guidance on choosing safe apps to download, head over to cyberguy.com and subscribe to my free CyberGuy Report newsletter, your regular dose of invaluable tech insights.